Roughly cooking is cooking what you want to eat using your favorite ingredients. The goal is for anyone to be able to make something similar by simply following the steps. This time, we will cook Lu Rou Fan. Lu Rou Fan is a dish of stewed pork served over white rice. First, here are the main ingredients. Prepare the minced pork, cooked rice, and your favorite seasonings. The amount you cook is up to you. Plus, add toppings to suit your taste. Please add as many toppings as you like of your favorite ingredients and foods. Roughly cooking start. Put the ground pork in a heat-resistant container, add the seasonings and stir. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. Spare time exercise. Stomping on the spot while waiting for the microwave. Remove the wrap and mix thoroughly. Microwave again for 1 minute and repeat until meat is cooked through. Spare time exercise. Raising and lowering your shoulders while waiting for the microwave. Serve on top of warm rice and it's done. You can add toppings such as boiled eggs and Japanese mustard spinach to taste. Once the toppings are ready, serve them on top. Arrangement points. You can change the toppings and add variations to cook it fun to eat without getting bored. Here's a recap of the steps. Keep these points in mind and make your own Lu Rou Fan. Please let us know your favorite Lu Rou Fan in the comments. Thank you for the meal. Stay tuned for the next Roughly Cooking.